The aftermath of the ongoing conflict in Manipur started on 3rd May 2023, in which more than 60,000 individuals have been displaced from their homes. The challenges faced by those internally displaced persons in relief camps knew no bounds, despite the support from the government as well as from the community. Among the various challenges faced in temporary camps, which were set up in a very short time, the issue of proper nutrition, especially among children in such crisis times, emerged as a very serious concern. The Manipur State Rural Livelihood Mission MSRLM team, along with its SHG members, visited several relief camps scattered throughout the state and closely interacted with the IDPs. During the visits to intervene the livelihoods of the IDPs along with distribution of relief materials to them, MSRLM discovered a significant gap in the nutritional intake of the IDP children, as the basic food given were not children-centric and the complementary food given from other departments were not sufficient, and many of such items need cooking. This revelation highlights the urgent necessity for enhanced food distribution and nutritional support for children in these camps to ensure their overall health and well-being. MSRLM, in collaboration with the National Health Mission Manipur and SHG network of MSRLM, have been actively engaging in partnerships with various stakeholders to implement impactful strategies aimed at addressing such nutrition gaps in relief camps. A pilot initiative named Mama's Gift, a nutrition-rich food supplement for children, was launched on the 5th of October 2023 in the presence of Chief Secretary, Government of Manipur, Additional Chief Secretary, RD and PR, Commissioner, Health and Family Welfare, DC Imphal West, State Mission Director, MSRLM, State Mission Director, NHM, and President, Rotary Club of Imphal at Lamboi Khungangkhong Trade Center Relief Camp. MSRLM reached out to NHM Manipur to come up with an instant nutritious food. The ingredients of Mama's Gift include readily available nutritious materials like wheat flour, chickpea flour, soybean flour, milk powder, and sugar. It is an instant supplementary food which just need to be added with warm water for consumption. Furthermore, the employees of MSRLM generously donated one day's salary towards the production of Mama's Gift in the initial phase. Nutritional assessments for individuals were carried out with the support of the National Health Mission Manipur and self-help groups of MSRLM, which resulted to proposals for further submitting it to the Ministry of Home Affairs. Additionally, financial aid from organizations like the Rotary Club Imphal has also contributed to the success of Mama's Gift. On the 14th of May 2024, Lambianbi Village Level Federation obtained the FSI certificate to commence the production of Mama's Gift at Karai unit in Imphal East, adhering to the stringent food safety standards set by the FSI, ensuring a high quality and safe product for the children's consumption. Till date, 3,500 kgs of Mama's Gift has been distributed to about 500 children in regular intervals across various relief camps in the district of Imphal East, Imphal West, Bisnupur, Kakching, Thawal and Jiribam. Mama's Gift is a commendable initiative that addresses the critical issue of malnutrition among children living in relief camps in Manipur. Through collaborative efforts and innovative solutions, the project aims to ensure that children receive the essential nutrients they need for healthy growth and development. It is crucial to continue supporting such initiatives to protect the well-being of vulnerable populations and create a brighter future for all children.